In my 15 years as a disaster recovery expert, I've seen firsthand the difference that preparedness can make in the face of a crisis. Today, I want to introduce you to a groundbreaking platform that's changing the way organizations prepare for emergencies. Introducing the Cinten Virtual Tabletop Exercise Platform. Imagine being able to simulate any crisis scenario specific to your organization's needs without leaving your office. That's the power of the Cinten platform. It allows you to test your crisis response plans in a safe, controlled, virtual environment.
One of the key benefits of using Cinten is its flexibility. Whether you're dealing with a natural disaster, a cybersecurity breach, or any other type of emergency, you can customize the simulation to fit your unique challenges.
The beauty of Cinten lies in its ability to bring together team members from different departments and locations. Everyone can participate in real time, ensuring a cohesive and unified response strategy across your entire organization.
What sets Cinten apart is its immersive experience. Participants are not just observers. They're actively making decisions, communicating with team members, and dealing with the consequences of those decisions, just like in a real crisis. Feedback is immediate. You receive detailed reports on your team's performance during and after each exercise. This allows you to identify strengths and areas for improvement, making your crisis response even more robust.
Integration is seamless. Cinten can easily incorporate into your existing training programs, enhancing them with its realistic simulation capabilities. It's not about replacing your current systems, but augmenting them for maximum preparedness. Cost-effectiveness is another advantage. By moving to a virtual format, you save on the logistical expenses of traditional in-person exercises without sacrificing the quality of your training. Confidence is what Cinten ultimately provides. Knowing that your organization has been thoroughly tested and is ready to handle any crisis gives you peace of mind that is invaluable.
The Cinten platform is also continuously updated with the latest crisis scenarios and best practices. This means your training is always in line with the most current thinking in disaster recovery. Adopting Cinten is more than just choosing a training tool. It's making a commitment to the safety and resilience of your organization. It's a decision that says you're serious about being prepared for anything.
In closing, I've seen many solutions come and go in my career, but Cinten stands out for its ability to truly transform how organizations prepare for crises. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving, no matter what challenges you face.